mostly every year before Christmas there is 1 feet or half feet snow will come. So they called as White Christmas. You know Rutvik? Rutuveta? Last year we came here, right, Rudu? For playing?
Yeah.
These are all we played here. I think this is golf course.
So much ice. Very cold.
What is time? 9:30 AM. Reading. You can see this in these southern states only. So if you don't see this in like Dallas, Texas, those areas, they mostly came to New York, Buffalo City. Everyone will go to watch the snow. At this time, right, in Buffalo City, you will see around 1 feet height, 1 or 2 feet, so more than that also. Sometimes when they wake up and come out from home, they will see knee-height snow. Even they can't open the doors, home doors. PA is somehow better, so not that much heavy. Okay.
Compared to last year, this year is very low. Snow is very low.
Hey, what is that? Rutu beta?
I don't know.
My
Even
big son Rutvik.
houses are also filled up with snow.